everyone, I'm Annabel from Job Pedal, and today I'm here with Duncan from Sector to talk about securing abandoned buildings. On Thursday, a fire engulfed a 7-storey building in Surrey Hills, resulting in the collapse of the former hat factory.
Yeah, that building, which had a heritage listing, Annabel, that was set to be transformed into a $40 million redevelopment project, and that includes a hotel. Very sad, yeah.
So prior to the fire incident, it appeared that the security of the building was lacking. Therefore, it raises the question of what measures, owners of vacant buildings, especially those of substantial value like this one, should take to safeguard their properties against vandals, squatters and criminals.
Well, Annabel, given that these buildings can be worth millions, it becomes crucial for owners to implement effective security measures to protect their assets. That's extremely important.
And so what should they do?
Obtaining adequate security for vacant buildings or abandoned buildings is a straightforward process, Annabel. By reaching out to a local security company, the owners can engage their services to create a customised security plan that addresses the unique risks that are out there and that attributes associates with particular the vacant or abandoned buildings.
And so what components would you recommend in the securities plan?
To secure vacant buildings, it's important to implement several measures. I'd say erecting a strong and well-maintained security perimeter that's like a fence in particular, to establish a clear boundary and prevent unauthorized entry. That's the beauty about fencing. Then you've got installation of surveillance cameras, both inside and outside the building, to monitor any suspicious behaviour or security breaches. Installing alarm systems that can detect unauthorised entry and ensuring that any potential threats are immediately identified. That's important.
Definitely. And so some of those abandoned buildings are so sort of dark and spooky.
Yeah, they are. So providing adequate lighting around the building's exterior and vulnerable areas to increase that visibility and discourage criminal activities by reducing the potential hiding spots. That does help out, yeah.
And so what about security patrols?
Yes, Annabel, it gets back to security. That's manpower again. Security personnel can perform routine inspections within, around the premises. They keep a close eye on surveillance and camera feeds and promptly address any signs of suspicious behaviour or security breaches.
Well, thank you so much, Duncan. That was very informative.
Okay, thank you, Annabel. And as a follow-up, I highly recommend that owners or project managers of vacant buildings reach out to a reputable security company, and there's quite a few of them out there. It's important because they've got to ensure that proper security measures are in place, and conducting a thorough risk assessment will help identify the potential vulnerabilities and determine the most effective security solutions for that specific property.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Duncan.
Thank you.